Forget about Pi if you did not make money from Pi. I want to reveal to you in this video 3 apps that is going to make money for you even more than Pi. The number 1 app, it's very important. People are already cashing out there now. The number 2 app, it's also very important. People already mining there, and I think you don't know about it. But the last that is very important is the number 3 app, which presently people are mining, and then approximately people are also selling it just the way they started selling Pi, and people are exchanging it for USDT, which is cryptocurrency, and they are converting it to cash. Alright guys, you have to stay to the end of this video so that you have to watch and know the 3rd app, which is very, very important. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ematalk update. Please subscribe if you want videos like this to always pop up. Alright guys, let's go. Let me show you these 3 important apps. So guys, the Mira Network is the first one that we're going to look into. That's the first app that you can just click on mining, and then every 24 hours you start mining. This is how it works. It allows you to mine every 24 hours, and when you watch ads on this app, you can also make money. All right, you can ping your people you've referred to come and mine if they are not mining. Every 24 hours, that's when you start. And then you can also invite friends also, and then to come and mine. So when the friends are mining, you earn a certain percentage from them. All right, the Mira Network is actually trending, but most people don't know about this. Is how to invite a friend. You click on invite new member, and then you just copy the link here, send to that friend, and then that person will have access to the mining network, which is called Mira. All right, so as you can see now, you can increase your mining speed by 200% rate then by just watching ads, right? So you can claim reward after you watch your ad. All right, and then before you know, it will start to increase and then mine very well for you. So the second app on our list now is the app that we call Atoshi Global. Now, Atoshi Global is also a mining app, but it's not like under 24 hours. Here, they have specific time that you can mine. It's just simply tapping of that Atoshi coin, and then it will just skip out of the page and then give you accumulated points. Let me just view my balance for you to see how much I have made with this particular Atoshi Global mining app. Now, when you just tap on view balance, right, this is how to mine. Once you just tap on it, it will just keep out of the face and then come. Now, this is the balance that I have there. As you can see, you have 85.91 USDT. That is approximately to 69,000 Atoshi. All right. Now, this is what I have in value, which is 245. Now, this Atoshi is also a running network. All you need to do is just to sign up with my referral code. I will leave all referral code in the description of this video. And guys, this thing is really making people money. As you can see, check the global market. People are already exchanging this. You can check on YouTube. People are doing exchange about this Satoshi. So the last one that we have on our list here is called the Rubi app, right? Rubi app is like also the Pi app. As I can tell you, this Rubi app has a very high value for exchange, right? As you can see, this is my accumulation here. I have 75. So you can mine 1 Rubi daily. And then 1 Rubi is equivalent to 5 point something dollar, right? Let's see what the figure is. All right, here is $5.54. That is $5.54. But when I started mining, it was like $2. As you can see, I have my wallet, then I have done my KYC. So since they have done KYC, I think the next phase now is for you to learn how you can trade. Now people are already sending out, because you can actually send from this Rubi, 5 Rubi, 10 Rubi, 20 Rubi to another person that has Rubi wallet, and then that person can definitely exchange it for cash, right? As you can see, this is the value there, $5.54. So guys, if you are not mining Rubi right now, you will be missing out. So guys, if you want more of this kind of update, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, 1, and then 2, I have a Telegram community where I give free signals on how you can trade cryptocurrency, and then my followers and subscribers are cashing out daily. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because more videos like this will be coming out involving withdrawals. All right guys, till I see you for my next video. Peace out.